Welcome to my channel, everyone, and today we are exploring something truly extraordinary, something that represents the absolute peak of engineering, craftsmanship, road presence, and rolling luxury. We are taking a deep dive into the 2026 Prevost Motorhome, a travel suite built for the open road and designed for people who want to experience the world without ever compromising on comfort, sophistication, or performance. This is not just a motorhome. This is a moving luxury residence, a statement of lifestyle, and a reminder that when you combine innovation with elegance, the result is something unforgettable. So, settle in and let's take a detailed journey through its exterior, its interior, its performance, and its pricing, giving you the full picture of what the 2026 Prevost truly delivers. The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Prevost, the exterior commands respect. Its silhouette is long, sleek, and athletic, built on Prevost's legendary chassis, one of the strongest and smoothest in the world. The entire frame is sculpted for stability and aerodynamic efficiency, reducing drag while amplifying road confidence. The paintwork is available in multiple custom patterns, and each one is hand-applied with precision to deliver a finish that looks more like art than transportation. Soft metallic tones glimmer in the sun, and the clean lines flow seamlessly across the massive body, making it stand out whether parked at a resort or gliding down the interstate. Integrated LED lighting gives it an unmistakable nighttime signature, and the flush-mounted windows complete the contemporary look with a polished, high-end feel. This motorhome doesn't try to look luxurious. It simply is. As you walk around the exterior, the craftsmanship becomes even more noticeable. Storage compartments sit behind electronically operated doors that lift effortlessly, revealing deep cargo bays designed with yacht-like durability. The slide-outs extend smoothly and silently, expanding the living space with engineering accuracy that ensures no rattles, no flex, and nothing out of alignment. The awnings deploy automatically, offering UV protection and soft lighting, turning even a simple campsite into a private outdoor lounge. There's even optional exterior entertainment features, such as a hidden 55-inch 4K TV, outdoor speakers, and built-in grills that make gatherings feel like luxury events. The Prevost also offers impressive insulation and climate design on the outside, using top-tier materials to maintain cabin comfort no matter where the road leads. Stepping inside the 2026 Prevost Motorhome is like entering a luxury penthouse suite on wheels. The interior is where the real magic happens, blending handcrafted materials, advanced technology, and clever space planning. From the moment you step through the power-assisted door, you're welcomed with soft ambient lighting that highlights the polished tile floors, high-grade wood cabinetry, and premium leather seating that feels sculpted for pure comfort. Designers have embraced modern decor trends, giving the cabin a clean, elegant, and incredibly spacious feel. There's no clutter, no wasted space, and no cheap materials. Everything feels deliberate, refined, and calming. The living area sets the tone for relaxation and luxury. Plush sofas, adjustable recliners, and smart seating arrangements let you unwind however you choose. High-resolution smart TVs are hidden within the cabinetry until activated, and the built-in surround sound system fills the cabin with cinematic audio. Massive windows flood the space with natural light, while motorized shades let you control brightness with a touch of a button. The climate control system is whisper quiet, keeping the interior cool, warm, or perfectly balanced regardless of the weather outside. Every surface feels premium, every seam is hand-finished, and every detail, from the stitching on the chairs to the lighting strips running alongside the ceiling, reflects countless hours of craftsmanship. Moving into the kitchen area, you immediately realize this is not a typical motorhome galley. The 2026 Prevost delivers a full residential-style kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, solid countertops, deep stainless sinks, and induction cooktops that make cooking feel effortless. Soft close drawers glide like luxury home cabinetry, and there's an abundance of storage for cookware, ingredients, and dining essentials. The full-size refrigerator and convection microwave complete the setup, allowing long trips without sacrificing the ability to prepare great meals. Whether you're cooking for a family or preparing something simple after a long drive. The kitchen supports you with functionality and elegance. The dining space continues the theme of thoughtful comfort. The table seating is designed like a high-end cafe corner with padded chairs and a polished tabletop that doubles as a workspace for laptops, planning, or relaxing with a cup of coffee. It feels intimate yet open, perfectly balanced for both traveling couples and families. As you move toward the rear, the hallway leads you into the master suite, one of the most impressive areas of the entire motorhome. The bedroom is spacious, quiet, and perfectly insulated for rest. A large, plush bed sits at the center with storage beneath, and nightstands on each side, making it feel like a true residential sleeping space. Ambient lighting creates a calming environment, and the overhead cabinets provide generous storage without making the room feel cramped. A massive wardrobe with full-length mirrors adds a luxurious touch, giving you plenty of space to pack for long adventures. The bedroom also features its own entertainment system, with a hidden smart TV and surround sound that bring a theater-like experience straight to your private retreat. Attached to the bedroom, the bathroom feels like something from a boutique hotel. The walk-in shower features glass doors, rainfall shower heads, and premium tile work that elevates the experience far beyond what you would expect from a motorhome. The vanity area includes a beautifully crafted sink, marble-style counters, and elegant fixtures that feel expensive without being flashy. Storage is abundant, and the lighting is bright and flattering. Even the toilet area is designed with privacy and comfort in mind, giving you the full residential experience even when you're miles away from home. Beyond its beauty, the 2026 Prevost also delivers serious performance, and this is where the engineering truly shines. Built on Prevost's renowned chassis, the motorhome offers exceptional stability, reducing body roll and improving handling on highways, mountains, and uneven roads. The enhanced suspension system smooths out bumps with impressive ease, giving passengers a relaxed ride even on long journeys. Under the hood, the powerful engine, typically a Volvo D13 or similarly robust diesel power plant, provides the torques and horsepower needed to move the massive coach with confidence. It accelerates smoothly, maintains speed effortlessly, and offers strong braking for safety. The fuel system has also been engineered for efficiency, making long-distance travel more cost-effective than expected for a vehicle of this size. Driving the Prevost feels more like maneuvering a luxury tour coach than a traditional RV. The cockpit is designed around the driver with ergonomic seats, a digital dashboard, a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, and smart navigation tools that help you stay aware of your surroundings at all times. The steering is surprisingly responsive, and the brakes deliver smooth stopping power without jarring the cabin. Whether you're navigating city streets, country roads, or steep mountain passes, the Prevost remains composed, stable, and reassuring. All of this luxury does come with a price, and the 2026 Prevost sits firmly in the premium tier of the motorhome market. Pricing varies depending on customization, converters, and optional add-ons, but most models start well above the $1 million mark. Fully loaded versions can climb past $2 million, especially when buyers select custom layouts, upgraded entertainment systems, advanced off-grid power packages, or personalized interiors. But for those who choose this motorhome, the price reflects the craftsmanship, durability, and long-term value that Prevost coaches are known for. These vehicles are built to last decades, not years, and their resale value remains impressively strong because of their engineering and brand reputation. Ultimately, the 2026 Prevost Motorhome is more than a vehicle. It is a sanctuary for travelers, a luxury residence that moves with you, and a technological marvel designed to deliver comfort, performance, and prestige in every mile. Whether you're someone who loves cross-country adventures, a family seeking unforgettable journeys, or a traveler who simply demands the very best, this motorhome stands in a class of its own. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more content just like this.